Welcome back, everyone. Today we're stepping into a home unlike any other, a rare gem nestled in the heart of upstate New York. This isn't just a house, it's an experience in craftsmanship, self-reliance, and timeless simplicity. Spanning over 4,000 square feet, with 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, and sitting proudly on 56 acres of land, this 2010-built home combines modern convenience with the quiet traditions associated with Amish living. You'll notice the striking white-sided farmhouse design with its classic wide porch stretching across the front. This isn't an architectural style that screams for attention. It whispers durability, modesty, and practicality. Those broad sightlines, the metal roof, and the porch beams all emphasize what Amish homes are known for, a balance between form and function. There's no excess here. Every design choice has a purpose. The clean, symmetrical lines reflect a culture rooted in simplicity, while the wide porch provides both shade and a communal gathering spot. Now let's explore this remarkable home in more detail. Exterior and landscape. As we take a look at the exterior photos, the property's 56 acres open up before us. Expansive fields stretch into the horizon, framed by a mix of open pasture and wooded edges. For an Amish home, land isn't just scenery, it's livelihood. The connection to nature, the reliance on land for food, work, and peace of mind, is central to the culture. These rolling acres could support gardens, livestock, or simply provide the serenity of space, something increasingly rare today. Notice the metal roofing on the main home and outbuildings, durable, practical, and a common choice in Amish construction. It withstands heavy snow, resists wear, and can last decades with little maintenance. Around the home, the driveways and paths are kept straightforward, uncluttered, and useful. A subtle nod again to Amish ideals, where ornamentation is minimal but order and structure reign supreme. These detached structures, barns, sheds, workshops, aren't decorative additions. They provide essential spaces for tools, equipment, and day-to-day work. Amish families often live with the philosophy that the home isn't just for living, it's for working, producing, and sustaining. That philosophy is evident in how this property is laid out, with utility always just as important as comfort. Now let's step inside. The entryway greets us with sturdy wood floors and walls that speak to durability. In many Amish households, the entry isn't just a threshold, it's a space for transition. Hats, coats, and work boots are hung neatly, a reminder of the rhythm between outdoor labor and indoor rest. The layout is practical and simple, wide enough for movement, functional, with no excessive embellishment. The woodwork is the star here, clean, honest, and strong. Amish homes are rarely about decorative molding or flashy finishes. These entry spaces remind us that simplicity, when done well, is its own form of beauty. Moving further through the house, the somewhat open layout draws you from one functional area to another. Just like in Amish design, flow and purpose are prioritized. Every corridor leads directly to work, family, or rest. Now we enter the kitchen, perhaps the most important room in any Amish home. Here, cooking isn't just daily necessity, it's tradition, often communal and deeply tied to family identity. Notice the expansive counters, generous cabinet space, and wide open layout. These are features not for show, but for work. Imagine canning jars lined up on those counters, bread rising near the stove, or a dozen pies cooling after a community gathering. The cabinets appear sturdy, built from natural wood, reflecting Amish values of quality and durability. Open shelving and practical layouts allow for ease of use. Nothing is tucked away unnecessarily. Everything is within reach, reminding us that this is a kitchen meant for function above all else. In the dining space, we see room for long tables, essential for families that gather nightly for meals. In Amish life, meals are more than food. They're a reaffirmation of togetherness. A long family table, set under soft light, captures that essence. These photos remind us that the design of the space isn't about individual luxury, it's about collective living. You'll also notice in some photos showcase the presence of wood stoves or fireplaces. For Amish households, wood is more than aesthetic. It's the backbone of heat. Even in a modern build like this, such features anchor the home with tradition. Gathering around a stove isn't just about warmth, it's about family. Evenings spent together without distraction, grounded in conversation and connection. The furnishings, while not part of the sale, give you a sense of how these spaces breathe. uncluttered, open, and ready for large family gatherings. The floors are built for wear, the layouts are expansive yet cozy, reminding us that luxury, in Amish terms, doesn't mean opulence. It means room to live fully without waste. The bedrooms in this home continue the story of simplicity. Wide, open, and full of natural light, they provide rest without distraction. Amish bedrooms are often minimally adorned, plain hardwood floors, solid wood furniture, and no unnecessary technology. In this home, you can see the bedroom floors are painted plywood. The children's rooms are somewhat decorated, but remain an uncluttered space, room for reflection and emphasis on rest. Basement, laundry and utility spaces. Heading downstairs, we explore the walkout basement. Here lies enormous potential, space for storage, for workshops, for future living areas. The Amish tradition of multi-purpose utility thrives in such spaces. A basement is never just a basement. It's a root cellar, a workroom, a place to preserve food. The laundry area emphasizes efficiency. Simple layouts, strong materials, and straightforward access remind us that in Amish households, laundry is an all-day rhythm, not a weekend chore. Wash lines outside are often used in summer, but inside, utility areas like this carry the weight of daily living in colder months. This property even offers workshop space, again pointing to self-sufficiency. Whether for woodworking, quilting, and food storage, these utility areas reinforce that homes are built for multi-generational use and practical adaptability. Storage and outbuildings. Outside, the outbuildings once again capture the spirit of Amish practicality. Simple barns, sheds, and storage structures appear built with straightforward, utilitarian design. Wood frames, metal roofs, and no frills, they are what they appear to be, reliable and enduring. For those considering this property, these spaces are as valuable as the main home. They offer room for hobbies, farming, equipment, or simply the storage capacity needed on a sprawling acreage like this. Views of the land. Finally, let's take in the views once more. From these photos, the land stretches far and wide, with mountain views punctuating the horizon. The acreage isn't just a backdrop, it's a lifestyle. Amish communities thrive on this kind of land, where families can grow, build, and sustain themselves without reliance on the chaos of modern urban life. This property's true gift is that it allows you to live in two worlds, the comfort of modern construction paired with the timeless traditions of Amish simplicity. Its design doesn't rely on decoration, but on proportion, durability, and integrity. The land isn't ornamental, it's opportunity, and the overall feeling isn't of grandeur, but of groundedness. So, what makes this home special? It's not just the 5 bedrooms or the 4,000 square feet. It's that every inch of this home reflects a philosophy, that life is best lived simply, practically, and close to the land. From its white farmhouse exterior to its spacious kitchen, from its utility rooms to its open fields, this property tells a story of tradition. One where family, work, and faith intertwine. If you've ever dreamed of a home that balances modern ease with old-world values, this is it. A house that doesn't shout, but quietly welcomes. A property that isn't just shelter, but a way of life. Thank you for joining me on this tour. If you enjoyed exploring this traditional Amish-inspired home with me, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, may you find beauty in simplicity and peace in the place you call home.